This one's been requested quite a few times since launch, so here it goes. The complete rundown on Fluent Support's global settings. Click on Global Settings straight from the dashboard. This will take you to the basic global settings. The first thing you can do is choose the page where the support portal is going to be on your website. You'll have to use the provided shortcode on the page for this to work. Next, you can set up a custom message to prompt non-signed-in users to sign up to access your support portal. If you want to allow public interaction on tickets, untick the box below. This lets users interact with tickets without signing in. Fluent Support allows unlimited file sharing. All you need to do is tick the boxes for the file types you want to allow as well as the maximum file size. Don't forget to save the settings when you're done. In the Ticket Tags section, you can create tags for agents and customers to use for marking tickets. Just hit Add New, enter the tags you want and descriptions. These tags come in handy to mark tickets as well as for driving workflow automations. Moving on, we're at Ticket Form Config. Here you can customize how your forms will look. The first tick box lets you display knowledge-based content for easy access. You can even choose types of content you want to show. We prefer showing posts, but you can show attachments and products too. You can also designate exactly how many posts should be displayed. Fluent Support's ticket form comes with 4 default fields that you can disable. Here, you can also control access to your support portal for specific user roles on your website. After that, you have the labels for the fields in the ticket submission form. Lastly, you can choose whether to include a link to your WooCommerce's account navigation. After Ticket Form Config, we have Custom Ticket Fields. In this section, you can create custom fields. Just hit Add New, select the field type and enter the field name. These fields let you take in additional information on your ticket forms. Next, we have products where you can designate your products in Fluent Support. You can use these products to specify tickets, drive workflows, and assign agents. Moving on, we get to the Support Staff page. Here, you can manage support staff and permissions. Simply hit Add New, fill out the fields, and scroll down for the permissions. Tick the permissions you want to enable, and that's it. If you're using Telegram or Slack integration, you'll have to provide the agent's Telegram or Slack ID for replies to work. After support staff comes FluentCRM Integration settings. Here, you have to enable the integration. Note, you need to have FluentCRM installed. After enabling the integration, you can set the default status for the contacts that are created in Fluent Support. Enabling this synchronizes your Fluent Support tickets to FluentCRM contacts. You can add new contacts to FluentCRM lists or tags as soon as a ticket is created from here. After FluentCRM integration, you'll find settings for notifications integrations. You can configure Telegram, Slack, and Discord credentials for ticket notifications and replies. We've already made individual tutorials for Slack and Telegram, make sure to check them out. Lastly, we have the License Management page. Here, you can activate or deactivate Fluent Support Pro by adding or removing license keys. That's it for general settings. Make sure to hit us up for more tutorials in the comments section.